Okay, y'all, I know I look crazy. It won't be in the video, but today we're going to do some juicing. So let's go. As you can see, I have my fruit ready. I have my Namaj juicer, and I have my citrus juicer, and then I have my random fruits. I also have pineapple I'm going to cut up. Then I have my pitcher. So my fruit is all washed. I'm going to get it all sliced up, cut up, shaved, all that, and then we'll get into it. Ginger. And then I'm going to do the citrus fruits with the citrus juicer. So let's go. It's not going to be big enough, but we'll see. So just put that in there, put this down. I have to hold this down because it's a little shaky. But look at all the juice just from a half a grapefruit. And that's how it looks inside. I'm just going to show y'all how much I got just from one grapefruit. With about 200 mLs. Okay, so this is all the juice from the grapefruit juice. Total of around 600 mLs. I'm going to go ahead and do all the oranges and the lime and the lemon. These oranges aren't small. Okay, so this is all the juice I got from the oranges. Obviously not as much. 200 mLs, less is at 400. Usually I like more, but I'm not about to cut it up to. And we mix. All the citrus fruits are juiced in there. So now we're going to move on to our beautiful Namaj, which is my favorite because it's so easy. You just throw everything in there and let it go. The juice will come out of here, and then that's where the pulp comes. But you guys, this thing will not work right if it is not put together correctly. So if you get one, just beware. Ignore the back of my head. I know it looks crazy. Actually, I just look crazy in general. Ignore me. So anyway, for the Namaj, let's make sure. Like that, it won't work if it's not put together correctly. So yeah, it's on, it's working, it's tested. So now we basically, and you can basically just put everything in here and let it go. There is a certain get up. You can still add the top. We might have to put it here. No, I took the whole one except for those pieces. So just put the little paper close.